This video I will explain how you can remove the background from your photo in Photoshop. So it's very simple process. Just open your image in the Photoshop. As you can see here, I have opened this image, and to remove this background, all you have to do is just go to the select menu at the top and then click on select and mask. Once you are in this select and mask mode, get the transparency to the 20% so that you can see the image or the main photo, and then all you have to do is just click on select subject. So with artificial intelligence, Photoshop will select this foreground or the main photo, and then that's it. Just click on OK and you're done. It's that simple. And then to export it, you just go to the file and click on save as, and in here you have to select PNG format. That's all what you need to do, remove the background from your photo in Photoshop. Very simple process. Thanks for watching.